I'm an English boy learning Greek, and in Greece, they don't say, don't get involved. They say, Kasa stavrasu melakare. What do you mean, sit on my eggs? Why do I need to sit on my eggs? What does that even mean? In Greece, they don't say, please may I have a pita gyros. They say, ena pita. That's it. Where's the please? Where's the thank you? Where are the manners? Never hear manners. It's like, I just want it. In Greece, when you pick up the phone, it's not, hi, how are you? Are you okay? It's, Ella. Why is it that long? Why is it Ella? And why is it that long? Like, they accentuate the word massively. Who is Ella? Is there even anyone in Greece named Ella? There's no one in Greece that's even called Ella. Another one. In Greece, they don't say, that's annoying. They say, mu espeses de nevra. Da nevra. It's so aggressive. I love it. I think it's amazing. I don't know why the Greeks are so aggressive with everything they say. But honestly, it works. Like, it makes you feel like you've done something wrong. We just don't have these sayings in England. The Greeks just have a better way of using their words.